Do you have stiff knees? Do you have problems going downstairs? Or maybe you go downstairs a little bit differently, like you turn to the side instead of just going straight down because it hurts? Maybe your knees aren't bending or straightening the way that they should be. So you're gonna lay down on your bed, and to check it, you just wanna bend both of your knees as far as you can, and you wanna see if they're equal. If one is further down and there's a difference between right and left, then obviously your knees aren't bending equally. So the other thing you wanna check for in this position is the straightening. So the back of the knee should push into the mat, and you can even bring your toes towards your shin, and you should be touching here. So if that's not happening, here's a few things that you can do to make that happen. First thing you wanna do, you wanna grab a towel. So just a regular hand towel, you're gonna roll it up, and then you can place that hand towel behind your knee, the stiff one, and you wanna press through your shin. What this does is it opens up the joint and it helps the knee bend further. You wanna hold this for about 5 seconds, putting some pressure, definitely not sharp shooting pain. You can even rotate your foot, so turn your foot out and then push, or you can rotate your foot inward and then put pressure there. Holding for 3 to 5 seconds, doing this maybe about 8 times. If it hurts to rotate your foot, just keep your foot straight and apply that pressure. This is going to help your knee bend. To address the straightening of your leg, you're gonna put your leg on your bed or your couch. You're gonna be in this position here with your foot supporting you on the ground, and you wanna sit up nice and tall. Push the back of the knee by using your muscles, not necessarily your hand, but use your muscles to push the back of the knee into the mat. You're gonna bring your toes towards your shin, and your hips are going to be facing forward. So for example, you're not facing your hips this way. If these are my hip bones, you wanna face the direction of your foot. Back of the knee is down, toes are towards your shin, your posture is nice and tall. You'll notice if you lose that posture, you'll lose that stretch. So we're looking for a nice upright posture. We do tend to kind of sink into our pelvis, so you wanna make sure that that is cinched up. If in this position you need more of a stretch, you're gonna keep all of this nice and straight, toes towards your shin, and you're going to hinge forward. And you should feel a stretch behind your leg, behind your thigh. So the muscle we're trying to stretch attaches to your butt bone, and it goes all the way behind your thigh and then past the back of your knee. You wanna hold this position for 30 seconds, slowly come out of it after 30 seconds, and you wanna do that 3 times on each side for 30. After you're done with these movements, you wanna make sure you recheck the position. So lay back down in bed, bend your knees, and see if they match up.